Hey guys, welcome back to my garage. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos lately. I've been pretty busy. There's a little quickie video of things I've been up to. This project right here is for the Klaus and Candia knee mill. It's DMM DYN4 AC servos with Centroid oak. Centroid oak is a closed loop motion controller. And of course DYN4 AC servo drives. I've been wanting to test this for a while. Haven't had a lot of time, but I got a back panel built up, and I've been doing some bench testing and also been working with DMM Technologies. Here I've got this thing set up in the lathe mode, and I've got the pawn loaded, and I'm going to go ahead and run the part. And it's really turning motors. You see them down here. Like I said, I'm just testing this in the lathe mode right now, just to see how it works in lathe mode. Wanted to test it both ways. Run the feed rate override way up here. So yeah, this is a big thing. DMM wanted to improve their drives to work with the Centroid oak motion controller. DMM made these cables up and they sell them just like Centroid sells them for the drives that they support. So DMM made their drives, their cables. They plug right into oak, so there's a number of wires there, there's a lot of connections. So it's very much worth your effort and time to buy the cables if you're going to try and do this. As of this video, DMM's got a couple little things to work out, so there's likely to be a firmware upgrade for DYN4 for use with oak. If you're not using DYN4 with oak, then you don't have anything to worry about. So anyway, so that's this project right here. The other project I've been working on is the EMCO Turn 140. I've been doing testing with it. It is running under Centroid Acorn control, and it's using the DMM DYN4 AC servos. The one thing that's still not done yet is the turret. And you know, the turret is as much or more work than getting axis moving. I'm actually waiting for Centroid to release their expansion board for Acorn, because I have 4 inputs that come in off that turret that tell the control where the position is of the turret. So this one's kind of on a standstill right now. There's the X-axis and the Z-axis. So these are 750 watt NEMA 34 AC servos from DMM Technologies. So I've got that going on, and I've got another project. I'm actually waiting for a cabinet. I've already done one of these. I'm doing another one. It's another EMCO Compact 5. And I've already done a video on this. The only thing that's going to be unusual about it is it's using a 750 watt NEMA 34 AC servo from DMM Technologies to drive the spindle. That motor is belted to the spindle at 1:1. So what I'm waiting on, this thing came without a cabinet, so I'm having a cabinet built to fit back there. I could have done some hinky enclosure. I didn't want to do that, but anyway, so yeah, so this little project is also on the books. And yeah, there's another DM 2400 dynamite. Might get around to that one soon, but yeah, so anyway, that's what's been cooking. Doing bench testing. I've got the little EMCO Turn, the CNC 5 turret here. Successfully was running under Acorn control. we're looking at some revised testing coming up, and along with testing that, there's another project, the Emco Turn 120, which has been turretless for quite a while. Well, thanks to a friend of mine, I now have a turret for it. So that little guy also uses, believe it or not, the same Gray Logic encoder as that Emco Turn 120 over there. So yeah, I need to test that as well. So I've got a lot on my plate. This one's kind of on top right now, but I'm waiting for DMM to get back with me on a firmware upgrade for the DYN4 drives, and then I think this will be a successful combination. So anyway, that's it for now. Just wanted to share an update with you guys, let you know what's going on. Hope you're all busy in your shops, and we'll talk to you soon.